What if the biggest cancer risk is not just what you eat today, but the weight you quietly gain year after year through adulthood? Researchers in a Swedish university says gaining weight during adulthood can sharply increase the risk of multiple cancers, in some cases by up to 5 times. The study tracked people between the age of 17 and 60 and linked long-term weight gain to cancers including liver, pancreatic cancer, kidney cancer, colon cancer, breast cancer, and endometrial cancer. Why does the correlation becomes dramatic if the weight gained is during your adulthood?
See, I will just like to come up with these statistics that the obesity is a real serious problem. And number two, we have to understand the biochemistry of obesity. It is so serious that if we take one kind of cancer, what we call as the multiple myeloma, and in obesity, both the chemicals interleukin 1, interleukin 6, and tumor necrosis factor alpha, all the three they increases, and they are very pathognomic of even multiple myeloma cancer and as well as of the obesity. So this is just to give you a reason of the seriousness of the how obesity is just mimicking another kind of cancer. It is even spreading out the same chemicals. So we should think of obesity, the question you were asking, in adolescent, how it creates the danger, because long-term exposure of the obesity is going to release the chemicals which are very much same and similar to that of the cancer. So it is such an important warning sign that we must say that long-term obesity definitely is going to increase what I call as the 2G cancers.
Of course, no doubt, obesity is a chronic inflammatory state, and we all know. And this cancer risk association is not very new. We are already aware of, but this large study has is really an eye opener that younger the age you are gaining weight, more is the risk. Now, inflammatory state is because of the obesity, but of course, obesity is increasing the risk of the cancer. It's not that it's the only cause of the cancer, which means you are very right. There are many other environmental factors also associated, and this strong association of obesity with the ultra processed food and additives and the flavoring agents, and these agents also causing and exaggerating the inflammation in the already predisposed person will definitely increase the inflammation in a much more way, increase the insulin resistance also in a much more way. And once you put on weight, the risk becomes much more high.